What a wonderful world.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So welcome to my 5 a.m. morning routine. Now this isn't something that I do every single day. It's almost like a social experiment that I'm trying to do. I want to start waking up early, but I'm trying to figure out the right time for me. So yesterday I woke up at 6. Today I'm waking up at 5, just trying to figure out what suits me and my body clock and also my lifestyle, because I don't want to commit to something that isn't gonna work long term. Like for example, 4 a.m. is definitely not gonna work for me. I know that for a fact, because that means I'll have to sleep like at 10 to be able to get like 7-8 hours of sleep. Even 5 I feel like is too early. But anyway, I'm up and goal number 1 is always just to wake up early. So I'm done with step 1. Step 2 is to work out. I just want to get my workout out of the way, because if I keep pushing it, it's never gonna happen. And I've been so good the last 1 week, barring Sunday. So I've worked out every single day, so I want to keep up with it. So I'm just gonna get it out of the way right now. So I'm ready for my workout, but I am always not dressed like this. Actually, I'm never dressed like this. I do put on a sports bra and I just wear my PJs, but I thought since we're filming I should put on a cute set, because otherwise I never do. So yeah, I'm just gonna go get started with my workout. It usually takes me between 25 minutes max to get the whole thing done, which is not bad. So I'm just gonna get done with that. So I'm done with my workout. I'm really sweaty and gross, so if that is translating to the camera, please don't judge me. By the way, I don't do any sort of cardio. When I was at my Nana Nani's place, I would cycle for like 20 minutes. They have the workout wala cycle hota hai na, that I would do. I don't know if that's considered as cardio. I think it is, but that's what I did the whole of last week. But there's no cardio that I do here at home because I'm too lazy and I hate doing cardio. And also I have this, probably, I don't know if it's a misconception or if it's the truth, but I feel like cardio makes you lose weight, and I'm not trying to lose weight. I could be totally wrong there. But anyway, I have downloaded the Headspace app right now, and I want to attempt a guided meditation. So my mom has been behind my life for a while to start meditating. She meditates like twice a day, and I do feel like there is a slight shift in her energy. She's a little bit more calm than before. So I do want to try to meditate, even if it means like meditating for 5 minutes. So everyone has recommended me the Headspace app, so that's what I'm gonna try right now. This is actually the first time ever that I'm like doing it willingly. So my app is all set up. I'm just gonna go with the 3 to 10 minutes wala basics wala meditation. Okay, let's see how it goes. So I am done with my meditation. It was like a 4.5 minute meditation, so very quick, but I do feel like it was nice for sure. I obviously need to get better at this skill. It was day 1 today, but it was nice. I do need to kind of rearrange my schedule. I do want to get done with my journaling and to-do lists and writing my affirmations before this, because my mind keeps wavering off to what am I gonna do today, what do I have to do today. So if I have all of that out of the way, then I can like focus on meditating. So this is actually fine. This is perfect. This is the reason why I'm doing like this social experiment of sorts, just to figure out what works for me and what doesn't. Now I'm gonna go and quickly make myself some green juice. Now this I'm doing just for fun. I don't know if I'll keep up with this, but I feel like it's like a very typical thing in the morning to have like a green juice. So I'm gonna make myself some green juice, and then we can start with the journaling process. Obviously I'm staying hydrated. आज ज़्यादा वैसे पानी खत्म नहीं हुआ है. By this point I'm like usually done till here. What I'm gonna use is some baby spinach. We have some cucumbers, green apple. This is what is supposed to like add the sweet taste. I'm also going to squeeze a little bit of lime. I don't have ginger. Agar ginger hai to you can add ginger in this as well. So I just pulled up a random recipe from the internet. Okay, so the green juice is ready. It looks very healthy and very green for sure, and it is a little bit piece, like chunks reh gaye apple ke. I should have removed the juice maker and not like made this in a mixer, but it's okay. We live and we learn. Let's just do a quick taste test. So it doesn't taste bad at all, but it doesn't taste like yummy for sure. I do personally like enjoy salads, so I don't mind like the green leafy taste of like spinach. So yeah, it's actually pretty good. Try it out for yourself, obviously. I personally don't know if I'm going to include this in my everyday routine. We'll see. I'll probably do it for a few more days just to try a few different recipes also. But now what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to write my daily affirmations, and I'm also going to write my to-do list, and I'm going to do just a little bit of journaling. I've been doing daily affirmations for a while now, and I feel like it just helps set your intentions and get your day started in the right way. So just gonna do that. This is gonna take me a while, like half an hour, 40 minutes, but I like this time in the morning. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I'm done. It took me like an hour, which I'm okay with, honestly, because this has become one of my favorite parts of the day. I'm so like pumped and happy about my day and just life in general. So now the next step is gonna be to have breakfast. This is something that I really want to start including in my morning routine, is to have a proper heavy balanced breakfast. I don't know balanced kitna hai, but I just have like eggs, 2 eggs and a whole wheat toast. I should actually do some research on how to have a balanced meal. I'll do that eventually, but for now I'm gonna go make myself some scrambled eggs. I usually do sunny side up, 2 sunny side up, but aaj thoda alag खाने का मन कर रहा है, so I'm just gonna make that. Breakfast is ready. We have 2 scrambled eggs and 2 toasts, and then some black coffee. I'm trying to cut down sugar, so black coffee. And then the way I made these is I used the Gordon Ramsay ka YouTube video, in case you're wondering. So breakfast is done. I did actually allow myself to watch a little bit of YouTube while having my breakfast. So I actually haven't scrolled through Instagram, Pinterest, anything like that yet. The first thing when I woke up is I checked my WhatsApp, because I just need to check if there was like any important message that I missed. Obviously there isn't most of the time, but उतना मुझे देखना पड़ता है खुद के mental satisfaction के लिए. और फिर अभी मैंने YouTube देख लिया. अब मैं थोड़ा सा scrolling कर लूँगी probably, but I should go and take a bath also at this point. Okay, so I just got done with my shower, and I also ended up washing my hair because it was feeling a little bit greasy. There's honestly nothing better than freshly washed hair, and in order to wash my hair I use the Mamaearth's apple cider vinegar shampoo and conditioner. By the way, this also comes with a hair mask. Now these products have organic apple cider vinegar along with biotin. Now apple cider vinegar is not only great for your skin but also for your hair. It's supposed to detoxify your hair and overall just give you a very shiny and healthy appearance. And of course the biotin helps in the production of keratin. Now this shampoo lathers really well, and I will say that the smell is quite lovely. So my hair, specifically actually my scalp, feels very cleansed and clean, and I love that feeling. In case you want to check these products out, you can of course use my code MRUDUL2021 to get a 20% off on Mamaearth.in. All Mamaearth products are available on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart. So every time you buy from them, Mamaearth is gonna link your order to a tree that they're gonna plant. So by 2025 they're actually aiming to plant 1 million trees. So definitely check out the description box. I'm gonna link all the products, and also I'm going to be linking Mamaearth's new app, their Android and iOS version. Both of them are going to be linked down below, and if you do end up downloading the app, you will obviously get access to a lot of new discounts and deals. I just got ready for the day. I did a very like natural face because I don't think I'm going to be filming any like YouTube video. I'm just going to be filming a bunch of Instagram content. Please follow me on Instagram because I'm trying to be very active. Probably by the time you watch this, I've been posting 1 reel every single day, maybe 2 sometimes if I'm feeling crazy. So definitely go follow me on my Instagram. So that's what I'm gonna do. I actually spent an hour opening all of my packages and just segregating everything. It's such a mess. Like I need more storage. Like मुझे बहुत storage का problem हो रहा है यहाँ पर, and everything's just like overflowing, but I have like segregated it into bins. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go continue filming. That's basically it actually to my morning routine. I don't think I sat down and like concluded my morning routine. So this is actually how my morning routine came about. I sat down one day and just wrote everything that I wanted to do and achieve in the morning before I get started with my day. Actually before this I would wake up and do like basic morning routine and then just get on with my day, like start working like crazy. No time for any sort of like personal development of sorts, like no working out, not having breakfast, meditating to dur ki baat hai. So I want to make this a part of my everyday life. It's not like a temporary thing. I know it's gonna take time and most importantly a lot of dedication, but since I'm enjoying it so much, I should be able to adopt it, because this doesn't feel like a chore to me. Like I really enjoy taking like the first 2 hours in the morning to myself, for myself, and it's been great. I've been doing it for a few days. Alag time pe main uth rahi hu roz, because as I mentioned, I'm trying to like experiment and see what works for me. Yeah, okay. I need to go get started with my day and I'll keep you posted. So this is my OOTD. I'm wearing the Black Forest joggers from Skion and just a plain black ganji. By the way, we are working on the restock for the Black Forest collection. There are some sizes which are still available, but bahut sare sold out ho gaye. Because of the lockdown, it's just taking a lot longer to restock. But this is what I look like. I'm matching my room really well. Also, I'm wearing my glasses. I don't have any lenses. All of my lenses have expired, मतलब खत्म हो गए, and I don't want to order anymore because मेरे दोनों आँख का नंबर अलग अलग है, so I have to order 6 months के लिए, and the thing is that I'm pretty sure कि मेरा नंबर बढ़ गया है, so I don't want to order like 6 months के lenses and then have to wear कम power वाले lenses for the next 6 months. I hope that made sense. And because of the whole situation, I don't want to go out. I know you can abhi, like in Maharashtra at least the guidelines have eased down a bit, but I don't know if I'm comfortable going. But I feel like I might have to go and get my number checked and then नया lens and then नया चश्मा. वो पूरा situation करना ही पड़ेगा मुझे लग रहा है. नहीं करना मुझे, but करना पड़ेगा. Done with lunch. I'm just having my supplements. This is for vitamin B12 and this is just regular fish oil capsules. So मुझे vitamin B12 और vitamin D का deficiency आया था. So this is what my doctor recommended. So it's the middle of the day and I just got done filming a YouTube video and some Instagram reels and I'm so tired. It's the middle of the day. I think it's like 3:30 right now and this is the time when I get really tired, like especially when I wake up early. If I don't wake up early then I'm fine, but whenever I wake up early, middle of the day is like when I feel like I'm hit by a truck, literally. I feel so tired, but I know I just need to push through this half an hour, 45 minutes, and then I'll be back on track. But I have to go clean up the mess, which I'm dreading, and then I need to start packing because I'm going to be going back to my studio. ये सब क्लीन करना है मुझे. So I was just cleaning my room और मुझे याद आया कि my nanny gave me these really cute 2 sweaters. I am obsessed with knitwear, so this is the first one that she gave me. Ignore this, but other than that, it's so cute. Just look at it. She also gave me this really cute cardigan. How cute is this? This is a little bit old-fashioned, I feel, but I think it's so cute. Like I love the color and the print and it's so cute. I'm gonna keep this forever. One more thing actually, याद आया तो मैं बोल लेती हूँ. This is just a quick reminder that just because things have opened up, I know parlors have opened up, even restaurants have opened up till 4 o'clock ka limit, that doesn't mean that Corona is gone. This is just a reminder. If you don't need to step out, don't step out. I know we've been here in quarantine for over a year and life needs to go on. Of course, I do understand that. But having said that, please be mindful of what you're doing, because I feel like, I'm not trying to be pessimistic, but I have a feeling कि third wave आएगा, and I don't know if it's going to be worse than the second wave, but I think third wave आएगा. I hope ना आए. I hope I'm wrong here. But अगर आएगा तो we all need to be prepared, right? So this is the best that we can do. If you don't need to step out, don't step out. Cool. I'm gonna go and continue cleaning my room. I washed my face and took a bath, right? So I just cleaned my face with some micellar water, and this is everything that came out of my skin. This is why I say it's so important to double cleanse. So just taking some time out of my day to read a few pages. I've started reading Think and Grow Rich. This is on Aditya's recommendation, and I find this very tough in my everyday to like include reading, because I don't like reading in the morning, and then towards the end of the day I'm so tired that I just want to scroll on my phone. But even if it means like reading 5 pages, I think I'm happy with that. And guys, I'm gonna end the vlog right here. It is 11:30 right now, and I'm gonna go sleep because I have to wake up tomorrow also early. So I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. I hope this wasn't a boring one. That's my biggest concern when I'm like filming vlogs. But let me know what you thought, and I think that's it. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.